Hi, welcome to the ASEAN MICE Venue Standard or AMVS video series. In this video, we will take you on an online site inspection as part of the ASEAN MICE Venue Standard certification process. We will be looking at the exhibition venue category, one of the three categories under the AMVS in particular. The ASEAN MICE Venue Standard provides a definitive guideline for MICE operators in ASEAN to ensure that their properties remain competitive and are able to provide quality MICE venues to visitors, making ASEAN an attractive MICE region. The ASEAN MICE Venue Standard for exhibition venue is further classified into two subcategories or types, namely Type 1, 5,000 square meters minimum area size, and Type 2, 1,000 square meters minimum area size. The standard covers the following two areas: exhibition hall and pre-functional area. Exhibition hall, an indoor exhibition area structured with permanent walls on every side of the room and proper flooring. 5,000 square meters minimum area size and 1,000 square meters minimum area size. Sign, equipment designed to convey meanings. For example, room names, directions, and emergency signs. Participant parking area, an area set aside to provide parking services for participants. Drop-off area, a temporary parking area for dropping off and picking up the participant. Cargo vehicle parking area, an area for cargo vehicles to park. Cargo loading area, an area for cargo trucks to load or unload cargo for exhibition hall. Reception and registration area, an area specifically prepared for receiving and registering participants. Organizer's room, a permanent room for providing workplace, especially for the organizer. Meeting room, a permanent room for meetings, seminars, and small group activities separate from exhibitions. Press room, a room for the press to work in the exhibition building. First aid room, a room specifically prepared for providing first aid during exhibitions, including exhibition installing, which includes exhibition installing, during exhibition, and exhibition disassembling. Business service center, a place arranged to provide services for organizers and participants. For example, document printing, fax messages receiving, and photocopying services. Pre-functional area, an area adjacent to the exhibition hall for multi-purpose activities. ASEAN MICE Venue Standard or AMVS as a reference to develop and enhance the capacity and competitiveness of MICE entrepreneurs and owners of venues in serving both the organizers and visitors in a professional way. Components and indicators in specifying components, indicators, and criteria for ASEAN MICE Venue Standard or AMVS exhibition venue category. 1. Physical component or P. 2. Technology component or T. And 3. Service component or S. Criteria for ASEAN MICE Venue Standard or AMVS exhibition venue category. Exhibition hall Type 1. There will be 55 indicators. Exhibition hall Type 2. There will be 54 indicators. These indicators focus on the standards of physical aspects, venue management, and people working within venues so that together they can meet the requirements of MICE travelers in a competitive way. Physical components or P. This means the location and access to exhibition venue, the conditions of the exhibition hall, and support areas consisting of structures, materials and equipment, public utilities and amenities, and more. Details of the physical criteria. Exhibition hall physical setting and functions. The condition and cleanliness of exhibition hall. There is no obstacle on the ceiling or roof structure at the height of 8 to 12 meters for Type 1 exhibition hall and 5 to 7 meters for Type 2 exhibition hall. Floors, walls, and ceilings of the exhibition hall are well kept, free of dust, waste, and stain. Exhibition hall is free of unpleasant smell. Hoisting and rigging. There are weight limit notifications at positions prepared for hoisting and riggings. There is a layout showing hoisting and rigging positions. Exhibition Hall's compound, pre-functional area, well kept and well organized. There is lighting lamps installed. There are sufficient power outlets, adequate air condition, circulation and ventilation system, reception and registration area, well kept and well organized. The area is located in front of the exhibition hall entrance. There are sufficient power outlets. There is a permanent and visible sign of the area. There is a PA system. Meeting room. Well organized and clean permanent room. The room is located close to the exhibition hall. Equipped with air conditioning, light and power outlets. Sufficient chairs and tables. High-speed Wi-Fi services are available. VIP reception room. Well-kept and well-organized permanent room. Equipped with air conditioning, light and power outlets. Sufficient chairs and tables or sofas. Press room. Well-organized and clean permanent room. Equipped with air conditioning, light and power outlets. Sufficient chairs and tables or workstations. Sufficient office supplies are available for users. High-speed Wi-Fi services are available. Prayers room. Support for participants with disabilities. Food service area. There is a setup area in providing food service for participants. The area is well organized, clean and well kept. Equipped with air conditioning, lights and power outlets. Adequate air circulation and ventilation system. Sufficient area for food preparation with basic amenities. In case needed, a list of suppliers. Public area. Accessibility. There is an accessible road connecting to the venue to facilitate ease of traffic. There are more than one entry-exit routes to or from the venue to the public road. There is an access to the exhibition venue. Signs and signage. Permanently installed. Installed in clearly visible locations and in an orderly manner. There are digital signs available. Display in English messages. Main entrance sign. Situated in a clearly visible area. There is sufficient lighting. Permanent and stable. Annual inspection or maintenance documents are present. Restrooms, amenities and facilities. Appropriate space for each unit. Provision of adequate facilities for disabled and elderly. Provision of adequate units or cubicles for ladies and men. Sufficient amenities provisions such as tissue, soap, etc. There is a nursing and/or family room. Smoking zone. There is a smoking zone and complies with relevant laws. Drop-off area. It is located close to the exhibition venue entrance. There is a well-kept cover or shade in this area. There are clear and visible sign display. Participant parking area. There are parking spaces for different types of vehicles. There are handicapped parking spaces. Traffic and safety signs and symbols are clearly displayed. CCTV cameras are installed, or security officers are present at parking areas. In case there is no or insufficient parking area, other areas can be used as reserved parking areas with comparable safety standard. Traffic management during exhibition. There is a systematic traffic management plan. There is dedicated staff responsible for traffic management. There is a separated traffic route for participants and cargo. There is a policy to inform surrounding residents about the exhibition traffic, water and sanitary system. There are water distribution points in good conditions. There is a proper wastewater drain meeting local standard. Annual inspection or maintenance documents are present. Water reservation system. The water reservation system has well-kept storage. The system is in compliance with the local law. Annual inspection or maintenance documents are present. Safety, security, emergency facilities. Safety equipment. There are CCTV cameras and controlling room with staff present for the entire time. The venue has a policy on CCTV playback. There is smoke or heat detecting equipment. There are fire sprinklers. Fire extinguishers or fire hoses are properly located for convenient use. Alarms are clearly visible. Annual inspection or maintenance documents are present. Emergency, safety, and security for Exhibition Hall. Emergency equipment, fire exits, and evacuation route must be in compliance to local law. Fire exit signs are present in permanent and well-kept conditions. There is a clearly visible signboard containing a firefighting and fire escape instruction. Sufficient amount of security guards in the main entrance to the exhibition hall and venue, as well as pre-functional areas. Sufficient amount of CCTV or other security devices in the key areas of the exhibition hall and venue, as well as pre-functional areas. Annual inspection or maintenance documents are present. There is an evidence of an annual fire drill practice. First aid room and nursing staff. Crowd management and evacuation procedures. Layout for exhibition venue is available. Layout for exhibition hall is available. Emergency evacuation plan is developed. There is an evidence of training for staff on crowd management and evacuation procedures. Insurance policy. The insurance policy is active and are clearly stated in the issued contract. Maintenance. There is a dedicated department on venue maintenance. Maintenance plan is developed. There is an evidence of inspecting, reporting, and improving the venue's facilities and equipment. Organizers' access to exhibition hall. Cargo vehicle parking area. There is a queuing system for cargo vehicle parking. There is a facilitation system for loading and unloading of cargo. Staff is present to coordinate or provide assistance. Cargo loading area. Cargo elevator is required in case the exhibition hall is located on a floor without cargo parking area. There is at least one cargo loading door per exhibition hall if the hall is divisible. If the hall is divisible into rooms, the number of loading doors must be equal to the number of divided rooms. The cargo loading door and elevator must be in a well-kept and safe condition. There are both lighting and air ventilation systems available. Organizer's room. Well organized and clean. The room is located close to the exhibition hall. Equipped with air conditioning, light and power outlets. Sufficient chairs and tables. High-speed Wi-Fi services are available. Event setup period for organizer. There is a setup policy and organizers are well informed. Technology components or T. This means telecommunication equipment and management of communication and internet systems supporting exhibitions. Details of the technology criteria. Power, lighting and air conditioning system. Electrical system. There is a power system control room. There is a layout showing power service locations. There are qualified staff on duty during the event. There is an electrical safety equipment in compliance to local law. Lighting system. Lighting system of the room is appropriate and can be fully controlled. Electrical materials and equipment meet local standard. There is lighting system control room. Air conditioning system inside the exhibition hall. The air conditioner capacity is sufficient for room size and capacity. Airflow and temperature levels are adjustable. Annual inspection or maintenance documents are present. Air ventilation system in exhibition hall. There is an appropriate air ventilation system in compliance to the local law. Air ventilation system does not adversely affect nearby community. Make-up air system is present to incorporate fresh outside air. Annual inspection or maintenance documents are present. Power and lighting system in pre-functional area. Lighting system of the pre-functional area is appropriate and can be fully controlled. Electrical materials and equipment meet local standard. There is power and lighting system control room. Annual inspection or maintenance documents are present. Secondary power generator, capable of functioning immediately after power outage within 20 seconds. Capable of continuously generating secondary power for at least 2 hours. Annual inspection or maintenance documents are present. Other services, communication and document service. There is a photocopy service, document scan service, and fax service. There are facilities provided for the internet, high-speed Wi-Fi purposes in the exhibition venue. Full coverage of radio communication signal. Business service center, well organized and clean, equipped with air conditioning, light and power outlets. Sufficient chairs and tables or workstations. High-speed Wi-Fi services are available. Use of customer management system, customer database system, reservation system, complaint system. Public address system provide clear, good quality sound. Sound coverage covers the entire exhibition hall. Sound coverage in local and English language. Allows for multi-zones audio broadcasting. Exhibition venue website. There is an official site of the exhibition venue. There is an evidence of regular website update. The website clearly presents key details of the exhibition venue, exhibition hall, and is user-friendly. Service components, or S. This means service provision, personnel management, fire prevention, security, crowd management, maintenance, management of reservation documents and venue handbooks, cooperation with related external agencies, and traffic management in the area. Details of the service criteria, coordination and service improvement, advanced booking service. There is an online comprehensive information on the floor plan and availability of exhibition hall. There is a salesperson in handling clients' queries. The salesperson is knowledgeable and is able to provide advice on floor plan and relevant exhibition packages suitable for the client's needs. There are variety of payment methods. Service to organizers. There is a dedicated team of staff to respond to the organizers and handle all issues as a one-stop service when incidents occur. Complaints and service evaluation of the buyers and/or organizers. There are appropriate channels in receiving complaints and customer feedback. There is a system in handling customer complaints and customer feedback. There is a motivation or incentive system for staff to improve service standard. Coordination and cooperation with external agencies, such as hospitals, police station, and fire station. There is a coordination center with the service staff throughout the exhibition duration. A list of contact persons, including the telephone number of relevant external agencies, is prepared. Staff. Staff personality. Uniforms are professional. Staff are neat, tidy, and friendly. General knowledge and understanding of venue staff. Knowledge and understanding about their job description and about the exhibition industry and exhibition activities. Foreign language skills of staff. Most staff can communicate in English. Some of the staff can communicate in third language. Staff performance on service quality. There is a systematic recruitment procedure, both for full-time and temporary staff. Compensation, benefits, and welfare for staff. Compensation, benefits, and welfare are provided in accordance with the local labor's law. Occupational health and safety policy. The occupational health and safety policy is clearly determined in writing. Occupational health and safety practice. Records of occupational health and safety practices. Environmental protection and community. Environmental policy. The environmental policy is clearly determined in writing. There is an operational plan of the environmental policy. There is a dissemination of the environmental policy both inside and outside the organization. Environmental practice. Records of environmental practices. Performance report. Follow-up performance report at least once. Consideration for the surrounding community. The activities and organization's policy that support surrounding community. There are a lot of benefits that MICE venues can expect to receive once they are AMVS certified. Towards this end, this video aims to equip auditors with the knowledge and skills necessary for making accurate assessment of MICE venues, as well as the systematic implementation and management of the AMVS. Before we end this video, we would like to express our sincere appreciation to all participants for taking part in the online site inspection with us. We wish all ASEAN member states a successful MICE industry. Thank you.